The question is, name the reagents used in the following reactions. First is oxidation of primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. So acetic neutral alkaline potassium permanganate, this is the formula, or acidified K2Cr2O7. Look, there are many other oxidizing agents, but they won't be able to oxidize a primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. They might be able to oxidize primary alcohol to aldehyde, okay? But for converting a primary alcohol to carboxylic acid, you need a very strong oxidizing agent, which are KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. Second is oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. As I said, so there are many reagents used for this purpose. One of them is parity chlorochromate or PCC. Bromination of phenol to 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Reagent used in the bromination of phenol to 2,4,6 tribromophenol is bromine water. What is bromine water? It is basically Br2 plus H2. Okay. Benzyl alcohol to benzoic acid. So again, as I said, it is a primary alcohol. So we need a strong oxidizing agent, so which is acidified KMnO4. Dehydration of propane 2-ol to propene. Reagent used in the dehydration of propane 2-ol to propene is concentrated phosphoric acid. Butane 2-on to butane 2-ol. So basically we are reducing this. So we need a reducing agent, which are LiAlH4 or NaPH4.